Can you turn me up? Sunday morning and the birds are lovely. Sunday morning and the birds are...
So I started off by spray painting the items that did not fit in my color scheme, and the colors that I was going for in this redecoration were white, black and gold. So these items that did not quite fit into that color scheme, I decided to spray paint them. I am using the spray paint by Abro. For this video, I'll leave the links to everything in the description box below. Another thing you want to note is that when spray painting anything, you want to be in a well ventilated area and you want to stand a few centimeters away from the item that you're spray painting. You also want to wear gloves so as not to soil your hands. So the first item I'm going to spray paint is this bin that I picked up downtown. Again, the links will be left in the description box below. And then I'm just spray painting this clear box, and I wanted to use it to store my perfumes and whatnot, so I wanted it gold, and that's why I spray painted it gold. The next item that I will be spray painting is this mug that I no longer use anymore, and I wanted to use as a toothbrush holder. I saw an image on Pinterest that looked so cute, so I decided to spray paint it gold. Now I'm just spray painting some plastic cup holder things. I don't know what these are called, but I also wanted to use them to store my cotton buds and my cotton wool, so I'm also spray painting them gold. This is why I used to stand a few centimeters away, because you don't want to get that. Now I'm just spray painting this basket white, and I decided to use it to hold my tissue, my toilet paper, so that's what I'm doing. Now I'm going straight into the cleaning, and I'm just taking down everything from the bathroom basically, just so I can have enough space and just so I can get into the nitty-gritty of it. Now that I'm done taking everything out, I'm just going to go straight and start sweeping up the bathroom, and I'm just going to target those corners that you don't usually get because all the other stuff are in there. Now I'm just filling my bucket up with detergent, and I'm going to go in and start cleaning my bathtub. So now that I've done cleaning, it's time to start reorganizing, and I'm going to use the baskets that I spray painted the day before. I left them out to dry for the entire day, and now they're completely dry, and I'm just filling it up with those items that I cleared off the counter. I wanted my counter to be clean and spacious and not all clogged up and just tight. So now I'm just pushing everything beneath my sink because I don't have those, those storage units for your bathroom, so I'm just keeping them beneath my sink. And I'm also going to use the toothbrush holder that I made in quotes. Now I'm just storing my cotton buds and my cotton wool in the plastic cups. I just call them plastic cups. and look how cute they look. I had this entire idea of DIY everything through Pinterest, so I'm just so glad that it turned out exactly as I expected. Now I'm going in with the plastic clear box container that I spray painted, and I'm just going to add a vase of fake flowers just to spruce things up a bit. And now I'm going to add in my perfumes, my facial oils, my facial creams, just items that I would use on a normal day. And I just thought this was a very nice way to just have everything in one area without clogging up my counter. I also got this clear makeup storage container online, and I'll leave a link to it in the description box below as well. And I just think it's a very cute and simple way to store your makeup, especially the ones you use every single day. Now I'm just going to hang up my shower curtain. I took down the former one and I wanted the new one to be black to go with my color scheme, and I'm so happy with how this looks. It looks so chic and just different. So I absolutely adore it. And since I was getting creative with my storage options, I decided to store all my bathing soap in this clear glass jar and just have them sitting above the bathtub instead. And I think this is a very, very creative, very cool, very nice way to have them. Now I'm just going to fill up this basket that I spray painted earlier with my toilet paper, and again it's a very easy way to just spruce up your bathroom. I'm replacing my bath mat with this black one just to match the curtains. So I decided my bathroom looked a little bare and I wanted to have some sort of artwork in there just to tie everything together. I decided to make one, just something abstract, so I just used watercolor and I just mixed a few colors together, red, black, green, just to get this exact shade. And I just went in and just there wasn't a particular order to it. I just sort of painted vertically, horizontally. I was trying to be creative, you guys, so there wasn't really any direction to it, and I was actually pleased with how it turned out. So now I have an artwork in my bathroom and I'm pleased with the result. So all in all, this was very, very, very interesting for me. I'm not a DIY person, so I do have to say I had so much fun redecorating my bathroom. I hope you guys learned a few things. I am so obsessed with how this turned out. My bathroom looks so spacious, it looks so chic, and it looks clean. It wasn't super dirty before, it just had a lot of things going on, and I'm so happy that I was able to just categorize everything and just declutter and organize everything. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.